Hi guys, this tutorial is to show you some of the features of the student version of PearDeck. So on the top of the slides you might see this little rectangle that says audio included and has a picture of headphones next to it. If you see that there and you need to play the audio, you come down to the headphone button in the corner, and when you click on it, it pulls up the sound bar. You can turn the volume up and down, you can play and pause. Now you see on this one there is no audio included, so the headphones aren't here. But what is here is this button, which is for the immersive reader, and that can help you do a couple of different things. So when you open that up, it will actually read to you, if you press the play button, what is on the screen for the PearDeck presentation. So that's one option. You can have it read to you what's already there. Another option is to use it for translation. So I have it set here already to Spanish. And if you do it by word and document, it will translate the whole thing. And you can go back and forth. So now you're on the Spanish. If you wanted to look at the English, it's there. You can ask it to read to you in Spanish. And you can also click on individual words, and it'll give you the Spanish that you can listen to, the English that you can listen to, so you can see how the translation works. And for some of the words, it will give you a picture of what it means. So those are the two features that we're using so far. So we've got audio and the immersive reader.